Hey guys, are you making a lot of noise? Hey, I'm making a video of you, Lucas and Nico.
Wait, can I get it? After I try. Okay, start. Start with the note. Can I try? I just want to try. Okay. Ready?
Hey.
Well, I'll try.
Just here. Don't touch here.
Hey Nico, do you make noise wherever you go? Do you make noise wherever you go?
No, not everywhere.
You mean you're quiet somewhere?
What?
You're quiet somewhere?
I'm just going to do quiet.
Okay. By the way, where are we?
Are you making the YouTube video?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are in Heho.
And what is this place?
Where they make the paper and the umbrella.
They
and
make
books.
homemade umbrellas. Can you show me where the umbrellas are? Over here? Okay.
These are the umbrellas that they make.
And they showed you how to make the paper?
Wood and paper and bamboo.
Mm-hmm.
And there's even a double decker.
That's right. The big umbrellas are over here.
Yes. I could test them out.
No, don't touch them, please.
I could.
Okay. Thanks, Lucas. Bye-bye.